Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Door of Knowledge, and today's our topic is AC analysis of RLC circuit in Multisim 14.0. Okay, so let's talk about pure ohmic resistor and capacitor and inductor. So if we talk about the resistor, voltage and current are in phase in AC analysis, and if we talk about the inductor, voltage is leading the current by 90-degree phase. Okay, and if we talk about the capacitance, voltage is lagging by the current by 90 degree, as you can see in this diagram as well. Okay, so this is our circuit diagram which we are going to solve in our multisim. But before doing that, we are doing some calculation and prove our calculated value with the measured values. Okay, so here we have a resistor of 8 ohm and capacitor of 0.25 millifarad and the inductor of 4 millihenry, and the voltage source is 20 V peak and the frequency is 79.5775 hertz with a phase shift of 30 degree. So what we are going to do is we are going to convert this frequency into omega, and we can find the value of omega by just multiplying the 2 pi into this 79.557, and we get the omega which is 500. Now we are going to find the reactance of this capacitor and inductor. To find the reactance of capacitor, Xc is equals to 1 upon j omega c, and the value will become J500 0.25 milli, and the value will become minus J8. Okay, so minus sign is showing that it's the negative phase. Okay, and the value is negative, which means it's the reactance of a capacitor. Okay, if we talk about the inductor, there will be no negative sign. Okay, so for the reactance of a inductor, the formula is J omega L, and if we are going to solve this, J 504 millihenry, the value will become J2. So now we know the value of resistor, reactance of capacitor, reactance of inductor. Now we can simply, if we want to find the voltage across resistor, capacitor and inductor. Okay, so what we can apply is this a series circuit, so we can simply apply voltage divider rule. Okay, so if we want to find the voltage across the resistor R1, we can use this formula. VR is equals to Vs. Vs is basically representing the total voltage of the circuit, total voltage or source voltage. Vs is representing source voltage, which is 20 Vp. So as we have to find the voltage across the resistance, then R will come in the numerator, and in denominator we have total reactance R plus Xc plus XL, and this will become like this. If we solve this thing, we get 12.8 plus J 9.6, and in terms of degree we get this. As you can see, we are giving a phase shift of 30 degree, so the final value will become 16 with a phase shift of 66.87. Okay, so we can apply the same formula to find the voltage across the capacitor like this. Okay, and final value will become 16 minus 23.13 with phase shift 30 degree. So you can easily see the phase shift between this. Okay, for the inductor, again same formula, voltage divider formula we are using, and the answer will become this. Okay, I just did a mistake here. It's not Vc, it's Vl. Okay, so let's move towards the multisim part, and we are going to do the simulation. So first we have to draw the circuit. So we need a resistor of 8 ohm and a capacitor of 0.25 milli and inductor of 4 milli. Now we need a voltage source, single voltage source, AC voltage source, Okay, and we need a ground as well. Okay, now connect this circuit. Like this. Now set the value of this source 20 with a frequency of 79.5775, 20, 30 phase shift, and again 20. Okay. Now we are going to the simulation part, simulate AC analysis and simulation. Okay. I haven't given the phase shift of 30. Okay, now it's fine. Okay. Now we are going to single frequency AC analysis, auto detect, and frequency column, magnitude. In output, we are going to design an expression. In expression is V1 minus V2. Okay. Add expression V2 minus V3. Okay, and we need V3, and run this. So as you can see, these values, 16 magnitude of VR with a phase shift of 66.86. We are going to tally these values with the our calculated values. You can see 16, 66.87. Exactly, it's approximately same. 16 of capacitor minus 23 degree phase shift, and for the inductor 16 156.87 degree, and it's actually same. Okay, this value is actually 4. I just mistakenly write this thing, so you can correct it as you can see here as well. So correct this value. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe it, like it, and share it. Allah Hafiz.